Hello everyone. In the earlier tutorial, we saw different ways of defining a Scala class and accessing its fields. In this tutorial, we will see what is singleton object. A singleton object is an object which is defined using object keyword instead of class. Singleton objects are entry point to our program execution. Without it, we cannot execute a program and produce the results. Singleton pattern is used whenever we don't want another instance of that object to be present anywhere. So, we cannot instantiate this object further. Now let's create a new singleton object. Right-click, New Scala class. Let's call this object as card. Select object and press enter. Now let's define a variable here called discount. Let's say discount is 0.1, that is 10%. Also, let's define a function which calculates total value. This function takes a list of smartphone. This smartphone is the class we created in the earlier tutorial. What this function does is it calculates the total value of the card. Okay. Now this function receives a list of smartphone. This smartphone contains various properties, but we are not interested in all the properties. We just need the price element. So let's extract it. So we will map and we will say that we only want the price property. And then we will submit. Okay. We also have to apply discount to this total. So total minus total into discount. So this function returns a double value. Now let's go to this previous class. Okay. Now let's buy something and get the total cart value. So I will print Helen. I will say total cart value. Okay. Now how to call functions present in singleton object? Just say singleton class name dot the function name. Okay. So let's buy a Vivo smartphone and a Samsung smartphone. Now let's see what we get. Okay. So we got total cart value to be 27,000. So this was all about singleton objects. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.